The power of reading. Reading is one of the most important skills you can develop. Books open up new worlds and expand your imagination. Through reading, you can travel to distant places and meet interesting characters. Every book teaches you something new. When you read regularly, your vocabulary improves. You learn new words and understand how to use them correctly. Reading also helps with writing skills. The more you read, the better you become at expressing your ideas. Fiction books are fun, but non-fiction books teach you about the real world. I believe that everyone should read at least 20 minutes every day. Reading enriches your mind and makes you smarter. It's a habit that will benefit you throughout your life. Whether you read adventure stories or science books, reading helps you learn and grow. I encourage all students to discover the joy of reading. It's truly one of life's greatest pleasures. Make reading a part of your day, every day.